What's up, guys? It's your boy Matthew. It's Saturday. What is it? The 14th. We're gonna head out to Supercars Saturday. We'll show you some cool cars. Of course, I have my dusty boy. He's a bit dirty. Haven't cleaned him interior or exterior. So it was it is. Real quick outfit. Porsche Club of America tee. You know the vibes. Hold on, peep the back. That's the best part of it. Yo, Cal Carbon Fit Muay Thai shorts, cause I gotta go train later. And down to the feet, Oleek's hiking shoes. Let's get some coffee first, and we'll go see Supercars. Let's do it. Get the shot real quick. Yeah, sir.
Of course you can.
Wow. So dude just filmed the Z06 and us coming in. You know, we're in an old Honda, but you know, we out here. It's the NSX, you feel me? I did a TL steering wheel swap. It's more comfortable.
Yeah.
Shit.
I love that
Jesus, Nardo Gray, baby. Yes, sir.
Come on, give me some, give me some. Thank you. I love it.
Ferrari boys roundabout, baby. I know. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Hey, this shit hard as fuck right here.
Take a picture.
Hey, this shit hard. You didn't hit a crowd? That's a clean ass TRD. What you doing? Hey, what you doing? Oh, you put. Hey, bro, I don't got a zoom lens, bro. I need you to come closer, big dog. Oh, he waiting for his homie. Oh, fuck yeah, baby. Run that shit. Yeah. Run.